point contemporary. Say, Micah, what's happening down there?
We have another winner to talk about, the President's Award for effective floral use and presentation. And we want to say congratulations to the American Armenian Rose Float Association with their entry entitled Cradle of Civilization. Armenian families have been immigrating to the San Gabriel Valley since the 1800s. And with Cradle of Civilization, American Armenians are showcasing the contributions they've made to this nation and to the world. The float highlighting Armenian national symbols such as their musical instrument, the duduk flute, the peacock, and the stork. And Mother Armenia takes form in this elegant lady, bringing the beauty of nature and the hope of fertility. And you see the letter E carved on the arch. That honors God as the stable force for this often nomadic people. The prevailing color you see, get this, worm red. And that's a hue extracted from a worm that is found only in the mountains of Armenia. That's one of those did you knows. I sure didn't.
The gentleman in the brown sweater, the tan sweater, riding on that float is the former police chief of Pasadena, Barney Malakian. He went to Washington for a few years to be the head of COP, Community-Oriented Policing Services at the Department of Justice in D.C. And now he's back in California, soon to be installed as the undersheriff of Santa Barbara County. He is loved in Pasadena. He's in the tan sweater there.
Okay, that's the end of that chapter. What's coming up next?
Chapter 3.